Hey guys, let's walk around the history of Barangay Santiago, Beta Camarines Sur, Philippines. Barangay Santiago is one of the 33 barangays in the municipality of Bato, located in the province of Camarines Sur, Philippines. As of the 2020 census, it has a population of 3,588 residents. Bato is a coastal municipality in the Bicol Region, known for Lake Bato, which is home to various fish species, including the sinarapan, recognized as the world's smallest commercially harvested fish. Specific historical records detailing the origins and development of Barangay Santiago are limited. However, the municipality of Bato has a rich history dating back to the Spanish colonial period. The Most Holy Trinity Parish Church, for instance, was first constructed around 1784 under the direction of Fray Antonio Gines Fernandez. Over the years, the town has undergone various developments, including infrastructure rehabilitation projects that have benefited areas like Barangay Santiago. See you guys.